formal beginning is there, the name of the send, not the name, sorry, the address of the sender. Then leaving a line, we write down the date, and then leaving a line, the address of the addressee. Then what comes? The subject and then the salutation. And when we begin, it can be a very common opening, you know, a very formal opening in all the letters that we write down to the editor. Key through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities, है ना, जहाँ पर हमें लिखना है concerned authorities और the read. बार बार कनेक्शन डिस्टर्ब होता है इसका. Yes बेटा. Okay. And then to the problem of uncertainty of getting admission in a college and a course of one's choice for the students passing class 12th board examination. Okay, all are aware that the cutoff percentage for various subjects according to merit is rising every year in renowned colleges. Now, after this, after mentioning the problem, we need to write down the causes. What are the causes behind these problems? अब उन causes की वजह से क्या effect हो रहे हैं, क्या results आ रहे हैं, that we have to write down. Okay? और यदि कोई suggestion हम लिख सकते हैं, तो हम sure we will pen down those suggestions. So, second para में क्या है? It is becoming a serious problem for the average students to get admitted in undergraduate courses. This will in turn lead to frustration in the students. ये result कि भाई क्या होगा, and therefore और cause क्या है, क्योंकि जो cut off percentage है, ठीक है, various colleges की, it rises every year. तो ये क्या है, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बन गई है. उसके क्या इफेक्ट है कि it will in turn lead to frustrations हो जाता है in the students, and therefore they may be neglected in the family. This will also affect the students' careers in the future, right? तो फिर आगे लास्ट में जाके कोई सजेशन है, the government should devise some other process, means the government should take out some other process for these students as an alternative to the strict system of selection in education. And with formal ending, yours faithfully and your name. So the name, you know, it has already been mentioned there in the question. The name is there or not? Yes, Reena or Rohit, है ना? तो यदि आप girls हो तो Reena, and if you're a boy, you can put Rohit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So one more letter we are going to do, right? And I'll give
ma'am.
you the, yes, I'll give you the question. Write down. Should I begin the question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. While shopping at a popular fashionable market, while shopping at a popular fashionable market, comma, you were distressed to see the harassment faced by some foreigners at the hands of self-proclaimed guides, comma, greedy shopkeepers, comma, vendors, and even beggars. even beggars. Written